Can you answer this in 5 seconds? Ready? Start. And the answer is 1 over 49. Did you get it? If you did not get it, let me know in the comments. And if you did, let me also know. So let's take it, whenever we have something like this, we are taking it from left to right. So let's first divide this. 7 divided by 7 will give 1. Then we have 1, we are left with 1 divided by 7, then divided by 7. Then let's take this 2 again. This will give 1 over 7 divided by 7. And this is the same thing as 1 over 7 divided by 7 over 1. Now let's change this division to multiplication so that we have 1 over 7 times 1 over 7. And this will give 1 over 49. Don't forget to click the link in the description to leave any question that you need help with, and let me know if you got this or not in the comments.